While building credit, nobody told me what to do. I learned through trial and error and making mistakes, and I was able to build up my credit score as high as 760. I was able to get loans as big as $16,000. I was able to get credit cards as big as $10,000. These are many loans and many credit cards I was able to get. And through this journey, I learned a lot. And in this video, I'm going to teach you some of the things that I learned so you could apply it to your credit journey and you can have better results than I did. Let's talk about it. Welcome to Level Up Finance, where we talk about money, mindset on the road to get millions. On this episode, we're going to talk about one tool that you could use to help level up your credit, level up your buying power. So last year, I was watching a whole lot of YouTube videos because I was on my rebuild. I had excellent credit at one point. My credit was way up there. Then I messed up. My credit just got destroyed, and now I'm on the rebuild stage. So I wanted to rebuild my credit, and then I'm hearing all this crazy information out there from so-called experts that fix credit, do credit repair. But I'm looking for the credit repair. I'm looking for before and afters. I see no before and afters from like none of these credit people. Yeah, I fix people credit. Yeah, call me for a consultation. No before and afters. None. Zero, nada. And people holding up fake credit cards say, yeah, we'll talk about a credit card that they don't even have in their possession. And I'm like, this is no credibility. No credibility whatsoever. I don't believe that these people fix credit. I don't believe that you even have this credit card. So why would I listen to you? Why would I listen to your advice? And a lot of the advice that they give you, get an AG Jewelers, get a self-lender, get all these stupid IKEA store cars, get Overstock, get an RV. Most people don't have an RV, but they tell you to get an RV store card. The reason is people want to build credit without spending money or putting up no money. But sometimes putting up money will help you out tremendously. Believe it or not, the banks want to see that you know how to handle money. All right, so if you put up $1,000, $5,000, and you handling that nice and easy, you paying it on time, no problem, then they're more likely to lend you $5,000, $3,000 unsecured in the future. If you only put up $200, $300 secured money, expect to have a little unsecured loan in the future because they don't trust you like that. You know what I'm saying? Say like it's an interview. All right, the interview, you only have a little $300, $200 limit, and you want to expect $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 loan in the future? No, that's not how it goes. They got to see, this is your rehearsal. If your rehearsal is $200, $300, then they might loan you $500, $800, probably $1,000 maybe. Depending on your income, they might trust you a little bit more, but after you build that trust rapport, then you're good. But me, I would go for at least $1,000 if you got it. If you don't got it, cool. Start wherever you can, all right? This pledge loan is for people that want to build credit and rebuild credit, all right? So if you have bad credit, it's okay. This is a positive trade line that report to all three bureaus. You're building a relationship with a bank, so it's secure. It's a secure loan now, but later on, you possibly could get an unsecured loan. Depending on how much you put down, they could trust you even more. Like if you put $1,000 down, they probably trust you with a $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, who knows? But the more you put down and you pay it on time all the time, the better your relationship, the better they trust you, all right? And also with this pledge loan, it's flexible terms, meaning you could say, hey, I want 3 months, I want 4 months, I want 12 months, it goes all the way up to 60 months, all right? So it's very flexible. Depending on how much months you want to pay, it's on you. All right. And you should use this product in conjunction with like a secured credit card or something, or multiple other secured loans, or even the auto loan, just try to have a great credit mix so you can help build up your credit even more. If you have bad credit, this is great. If you have no credit whatsoever, like this will blow your credit out of the water. You'd be sitting really pretty in 6 months. What I would do is set up auto pay so it pays all the time. You don't want to even worry about it. A lot of people, the way they use the loan is they get the loan and they pay off like 80% of it right away. Me, I just pay it off normally regular. You know what I'm saying? You at 100% utilization. Then the next month you get a little bit lower, you get a little bit lower. The reason that I like doing this because I like seeing results. Because once you at 100% utilization, meaning like you first get the loan saying it's for $1,000, you get the loan it's for $1,000, and it reports to the credit bureau. You got to pay off that $1,000. If you paid off 50% of it ASAP, then you have 50% utilization. Me, I like to see my credit score keep going up. You know, when you see results, the more you're more into it. Like I said, I like to eat my own cooking. So I did the pledge loan, and let's get into my results. So here's my results. August 30th, 2020. Here's my score. Boom. I'm gonna go on installment loan. Boom. You're gonna see my installment loan. These just bad trade lines. This is nothing. So basically, my Navy Federal didn't start reporting yet because I didn't start it yet. I started in about September, but I think it started reporting in October. So let's look in October. I got, like I said, I use it in conjunction with other cards like the U.S. Bank Secure Card. And here's my secure loan right here. Let me go on the installment. So isolate everything. So boom, Navy Federal. I put up $2,000. I put up my own money, all right? So like I said, I eat my own cooking. I'm not just talking. I'm living this. I'm in the trenches. I'm doing what I say I'm telling you to do. So $2,000. I put a 6 months term, $335 per month, right? And my credit score, let's see what it's looking like in just 2 months. All right, 613, 603, 597. I had a 6 months term, so basically it should be done in March. Okay, here's my latest credits. Here's my latest report. Installment. So basically it's closed, it's paid off. This is the $2,000. And look what it says. Individual. Loan, other. It doesn't say secure anywhere. It don't say secure loan anywhere, all right? So another bank will never know. So pays, agrees, it's a positive trade line. Let's look at my score. It's closed, it's paid off. Okay. My score didn't drop. My Equifax looking real good. I still gotta do one more thing to make these go a little higher. I gotta pay one more thing off, and I should be in the 680s. Hopefully I'll be a little higher, but that's the secure loan. This is my results with a secure loan. So you know, listening to those experts that say a secure loan is stupid, or a secure card is stupid, get a freaking store card that you're never going to use, like a RV secure card, get overstock.com and all this nonsense. Like I said, building a relationship with a bank is amazing. You know, with the secure card, secure loans, with a pledge loan, it works out amazing. You're not going to have no issues with it. It's only a 2% interest rate. It's not like self-lender that charge you 15%. So, you know, you're not going to pay a lot of money in interest. I mean, it is way better. And, you know, like I said, the proof is in the pudding. All right? I don't really have to talk. It's proof and evidence. It's visual. I'm not like these other YouTube people that just talk and say and show you no results. These are my results. I eat my own cooking. All right? They're holding up fake Photoshop credit cards that they don't own. They're telling you false information. I build credit. I build up my credit before, and I had so much loans. You see it. You seen it. You see it, right? It's evidence. I build up my credit, and I got into over $60,000 in debt because I did the wrong things. Obviously, when I got the money, I did the wrong things, but I'm never going to do the wrong thing again. So what this channel is about, you know, building credit, leveling up your finance, which is your money, and teaching you about money, how money works. So overall, you want to have knowledge of everything. You don't want to just be the person to buy the latest and greatest iPhone every year and keep wasting this money on cars and nonsense and keep being broke because you just buying a whole bunch of liabilities. I did that. I bought a whole bunch of liabilities. It got me nowhere but messed up, sued, destroyed my credit. Like, it's not worth it. All right. So, I mean, I don't listen to these other people, man. I listen to somebody that's in the trenches. I'm in the trenches. I'm fixing my credit. I've been there. I've done that. I had amazing credit. I had terrible credit. I'm leveling up my credit as we speak. I have a mortgage. I had loans as far as unsecured loans. I had auto loans. I had a whole bunch of credit cards. I've been there and done that. And I'm telling you, one step to getting good credit and credibility with a bank is with a secure loan, and Navy Federal pledge loan is the way to go. All right. So if you like this video and this helped you out in any way, you learned something, give me one of these, subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next one. All right. Level Up Finance.